DPL ROES has a huge selection of print sizes to choose from, but there are occasions you might need to print a size that is not listed. So let's imagine you need to print a 7.5 by 7.5 inch square. You'll start by selecting the next largest size. For this, it's 8 by 8. Expand the grid feature under Tools and select Grid and Snap. Then type in 0.5 for the size to show guidelines at every half inch and create exact sizing. And don't worry, none of these lines will print. Now draw a node using the Draw tool and leave it one row and one column short. You'll want to select Print Trimming to have the lab trim all the excess for you. But if you'd rather do it yourself, just leave this box unchecked. When you click Add to Cart, a dialog box will appear notifying you that something has been left blank. This is fine, because when we drew in a node, we left the original blank. Just click Add As Is. Now let's examine the Montage feature. I'm going to select a larger size paper. Let's do a nice 16 by 20. The Montage feature will automatically lay out image nodes for you, creating neat rows and columns or a random pattern. Looking at the different options, first we select how many image nodes we are going to want across and down. Default is 3 by 3, but let's change it to 3 by 5. Next is padding. This is going to create space between each node and is measured in inches. Top, bottom, left, and right will create additional space on the edge of the paper and is also measured in inches. Now select Create New Montage. If you don't want straight rows and columns, you can use the next set of sliders. These randomize the XY axis, size, gap, and angles. At this point, if we selected Create New Montage, it would simply add another set of nodes on top of those we already have. So I will select Recreate Montage and it will replace the last set of nodes created. Fill the nodes by dragging and dropping your images where you like, then rotate them to the correct orientation.